Wow, wow. Look at the birds. They're really enjoying. They're grazing. They're chasing up the, what do you call? They're chasing the grasshoppers and the crickets. It's early in the morning here. I've opened the birds to enjoy the green nature and to chase the grasshoppers so that they can take a breath. Look at this maize, guys. So green, so wonderful, guys. Look at this maize cob, so big. Wow. It's early in the morning here in Kenya, Africa, specifically in West Pokot, guys. Guys, in a kind note, I will ask you guys to subscribe to my channel. Wherever you're new to this video, kindly subscribe to my channel, get tuned to my channel, turn on the notification bell, so if I upload a new video, you'll get to be notified that I've uploaded a new video. And also, let us be good to each other, whereby when I upload a new video, you put it on your WhatsApp status, or you share to other people, so that guys we'll move together in a swift note, and also we'll go far, guys. Okay, guys, I'm going to my work, to my place of work, so let us walk together till the end of this video and we get what is new, what is popping outside there, guys. Yeah, look at it. This is the place where I'm passing, guys. Wow, wow, wow. I'm in the street, guys. I'm in the street, guys. Look at this street. Look at this street. Look at this street, guys. Wow. Look at the pigs, guys. Look at this one guru. Hawa, sinapita vizuri. Hata msijui venye nifikia naishi. Wow, look at it. The street, guys, of Madare.